Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says that all compounds of alkali metals are easily soluble in water, but lithium compounds are more soluble in organic solvent. Explain. So you have to explain that while all compounds of alkali metals are easily soluble in water, but lithium compounds are more soluble in organic solvent. So let's solve this question. So first, lithium has smallest size. Lithium has smallest size among all the alkali metal ions. Among all the alkali metal ions, lithium has the smallest size among all the alkali metal ions. So due to its smaller size, it has very high polarizing power. So it has very high polarizing power. As it has small size, so it has very high polarizing power. Polarizing power, that means charge by radius ratio. So polarizing power generally charge by radius ratio. So polarizing power of lithium is also high. So lithium compounds are covalent in nature. So lithium is covalent in nature due to Fagen's rule. Fagen's rule, because in Fagen's rule, if the lithium or the cation has the smallest size and the anion has the largest size, so this is according to Fagen's rule, it will be covalent. So lithium has smallest size as well as it has very high polarizing power. So lithium is covalent in nature. As it is covalent in nature, so it is not soluble in water. But other alkali metals, we will see the other alkali metals. Other alkali metals except lithium. Other alkali metals are ionic compounds. Other alkali metals are ionic compounds. So they are readily soluble in water. So they are readily soluble in water. But lithium is covalent. So it is insoluble in water, or we can say that it is soluble in organic solvent. Lithium, we can say that as lithium is covalent in nature, covalent, so they dissolve in or you can say that as lithium compounds, it is lithium compounds as lithium compounds are covalent in nature, so they dissolve in organic solvent like alcohol and ether. So if we'll see the summary of the answer, so it is like lithium. Lithium has the smallest size among all the among all the alkali metal ions. As it has small size, that means its polarizing power is highest, as polarizing power is defined as charge by radius ratio. So as compared to radius, charge of lithium is high, or charge by ratio is high for lithium. So it has high polarizing power, and according to Fagen's rule, it is covalent in nature. Other alkali metals are ionic compounds, and ionic compounds are readily soluble in water. But lithium compounds are covalent, so it is not readily soluble in water, and in spite it dissolves in organic solvent like alcohol and ether. So this is the answer of this question. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.